Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm opening up some more nail mail. I have been sent some more stuff from the Glitter Nail Angel to show you guys, so I'll just get that opened just now. I've not opened it yet, so I don't know what these are like. Well, I had a wee look on Instagram and I'd seen them, but obviously I don't know what they're like in person, so I'll just take them all out first. Right, so we'll start with this one, which is called Lemonade, and it's a beautiful yellow one. Obviously you can see that. So what I'll do is I'll swatch these as well after I've showed you them all. Then we have Lavender Crush, which is this beautiful purple one. Then we shall do this one, which is called Sprite. Oh, that's nice. So it's got nice different shapes of glitter in there. We then have Apple Punch. Oh, that's nice. So it's like greens and blues and what looks like kind of like a black or a really dark grey. Then we have Rose Spritzer. Very pretty. We have Cherry Aid. I'm trying to get these all so it's got the name the right way because I'm weird that way. Pineapple Crush. So this was called the Fizzy Drinks Collection. I don't know if I said that already. We've then got Grape Fizz, not Frizz, which is a beautiful purpley colour. We have Apple Punch. Beautiful. The same as that one. So we've got two apple punches in this one. We also have Lime Soda. And Iron Brew. So what I'll do is I'll go and set up for swatching these and then I'll come back and show you guys.